Hello everyone, in today's session we will see a group runner and how to create a group runner. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what is a group runner? A group runner is a single runner for group of projects. So same runner will be used by group of projects to deploy CI/CD pipeline mentioned in your .yml file. So different projects will have different .yml file, but for all those deployments we will use a single specific runner. Now how to create a group runner? So first of all, you need to create a specific runner, install it on a particular machine, register it, and then you can convert that specific runner to a group runner. So if you want to know how to install and register a specific runner, I have already made a video on this. I have provided link in the description box. Go through it and you will have idea that how to create and register a specific runner. So once you install a specific runner, come back to this video and proceed further. So once you have the specific runner, what you need to do is you need to go to that project settings, CI/CD runners, expand it, and there is a section of specific runners. You need to click on pencil icon of that register runner and uncheck a box showing locked to current projects. When a runner is locked, it cannot be assigned to other projects. Once you do that, you need to go to another projects, its settings, CI/CD runners, expand it, and there is a section called specific runners. Under that you will have option available specific runners. You need to click on enable for this project. Okay, and the second thing is, if your another project CI/CD pipeline deployment is on another machine, you only need to install the GitLab runner on that machine. You don't need to register the runner, as we are using group runner for this project. We have already registered the runner earlier. Okay, these are the references that I have used to make this video, and now I will show you practically that how to convert a specific runner to a group runner. So for that, first of all, I will log in my GitLab account. Okay, so here I will show you first. I have two projects over here. One is test project and another one is demo GitLab runner project. So I have already installed and registered a runner for this demo GitLab runner project. I will show it. For that you need to go to settings, CI/CD, runners section, expand it, and you can see over here that runners activated for this project. So this is a runner which I have already installed and registered on one of my Linux machine. So what I will do is I will click on this pencil icon and uncheck this box which is saying locked to current projects. When a runner is locked, it cannot be assigned to another projects. So I will uncheck this and save the changes. Okay, now I can use this specific runner as a group runner by assigning this GitLab runner to another projects. So now I will go to the another project, settings, CI/CD, runners section, expand it. So over here you can see that once I have unchecked the option, that specific runner is now available to be used by this project. So you can see that GitLab runner over here. So what I need to do is just enable for this project. So I need to click on this option. Okay, so now you can see that that particular specific GitLab runner is now also activated for this project. So now that specific runner become a group runner. So you can use this group runner for both the projects. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.